Your BeHear Access headset is ready to use out of the box. It comes pre-programmed with 6 different hearing presets: indoor, outdoor, crowd, live music, telecoil exclusive, and telecoil transparent. Using the hearing assessment in the BeHear app, these presets can be customized to suit your specific hearing preferences and capabilities. Click the link to watch the video tutorial for the hearing assessment. The headset can also be customized in real time to suit your current circumstances using the BeHear app. If you haven't already done so, download the app, then check out this video for further instructions. Okay, let's get started. This is the default home screen when no media is being played. The slider at the top of the screen regulates volume. When the slider is set to 0, the leftmost position, personal hearing mode is off. As you can see, you can choose between 6 presets: indoor, outdoor, crowd, live music, telecoil exclusive, and telecoil transparent. Tap the preset that best describes your current environment. You can also scroll through these profiles with a short press on the middle button of the right control box. A voice prompt will play each time a profile is switched. The tuning icon at the bottom of the screen is where the magic happens. This opens the audio settings screen. You see the best sound point, or BSP grid. We'll come back to this grid in a moment. If you keep scrolling down, you'll see 3 more sliders. The first slider adjusts the amount of background noise reduction. This control is very helpful in noisy places. You can choose from one of 4 levels, from minimum on the left to maximum on the right. The next slider lets you set the balance between your ears. If you've performed the hearing assessment, your hearing baseline will reflect any imbalance between your ears and adjust amplification for all sounds accordingly. However, this slider can be used to augment the results of the hearing assessment if you like. Say, for example, that your mother-in-law has been seated to your left at a dinner party. In that case, you can modify the balance to favor your right ear only. The reset button will return all values back to their factory defaults. Now let's scroll back up to the grid. In order to customize how you hear in the current sound environment, touch and hold the dot in the grid until the phone vibrates and the square you're touching is framed in white. By moving the dot around the grid, you are changing different parameters of sound enhancement. Experiment with this until you find the best setting for your current environment. Now you can save your current setting. Each of the profiles is personalized separately. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any questions or comments, please contact us here.